Good day, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to our video. Today we're going to discuss another topic in pre-calculus, and that topic is changing the equation of a circle from standard form to the general form. Previously in the last video, we have introduced the concept of a circle and its standard form. And if you can recall, the standard form of a circle is written as x minus h squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared, where the center is h comma k and the radius is r. Yan yung yung i-recall natin. Now, what is the goal? Sabi natin, this is the standard form. Ngayon. Pero before that, I want to note that yung standard form na ito is sometimes called as the center radius form. Why is it called the center radius form, you say? Because in this form, it is evident na nandun yung center, ito kasi h and k, center, and yung radius yung r, kaya siya tinawag na center radius form. And another remark, to find the equation of a circle with center at the origin, kasi di ba in the beginning of the video, of the previous video, I have said that, di ba, ito yung circle natin, tapos nag-center ka dito. Sabi ko, ito yung center previously, di ba? Eh, di ba this is evident that this is the origin? Di ba yun yung origin? Ano yung equation? Ano yung standard equation ng circle if you are centered to the origin? Yun yung tanong. Ngayon, what we will do is that replace h, kasi di ba this is h and k. Palitan natin yung h ng 0 and k with 0. How do we suppose to do that? Di ba no, x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. If h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0, then ano mangyayari? Ano mangyayari dito? Yung form mo magiging x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Kasi magiging x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equal to r squared. Tama ba? Kaya ito na yung form mo. Kaya yan na yung form mo. X squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Ngayon, so alam na natin na yung center radius form ay x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k is equal, quantity squared is equal to r squared kapag yung center mo ay h comma k. Pero kapag naman yung center mo ay 0, ang center radius form mo ay x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Okay? Ngayon, so may dalawa tayong standard form sa sinusunod. So ano yun? And it is summarized here. Diba? The convenience. The standard forms of an equation of a circle in R2. What do I mean by R2 in the Cartesian plane? The standard equation of a circle of radius R and center. May dalawang cases ng dalawang center. Yung h comma k saka yung origin. Kapag daw h comma k or an arbitrary point, ano mga halimbawa ng arbitrary point? 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, 4, kahit anong maisip mo basta hindi 0, 0. Ang equation ng circle mo ay ito. X minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. Pero kapag strictly yung origin, yung center mo, ang standard equation mo ay x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Ganun lang yung ibig sabihin nun. Ngayon, magandang tanong dito. Question. What is the general form? What is the general form or GF of a circle? Sabi natin centered sa CH, K and with radius R. Ano daw yung general form ng circle na yan? Ano, yun ang magandang tanong. Tama. Let's change the color blue. Kasi yun nalagay ano natin eh. Or, ano eh. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, this is the standard form the standard form, this is the main point of the video, diba? Standard form to general form. General form. Yun yung main point ng video eh. Naalala niyo yung title? Ito yan. Ngayon, so magsisimula tayo sa standard form. Ano yung standard form? X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. What can we do with this problem? Di ba pwede natin siyang i-foil out or gamitin natin yung property? Di ba? Tignan nyo ha. Ano ba? X minus h squared. Ang technique dito, ito i-square mo. Tapos 2 multiplied by x multiplied by negative h. Magiging minus 2hx plus square nito, negative h squared. Ganun lang yung technique niya na, by the way. Ito ay bubble lamang. Hindi yan part ng solution. So, magiging x. This implies that this is x squared minus 2hx plus h squared. Tama, ito yung una. Plus y minus k squared. Magiging plus y squared. Square yung first term. Plus 2 multiplied by y multiplied by negative k, magiging negative 2ky plus negative k squared or k squared is equal to r squared. Tama ba? Ngayon, ang gagawin mo ay uunahin mo yung y, magiging x squared plus y squared. Ito, inuna ko, nilagay ko doon. Plus minus 2hx minus 2ky. Tapos, mangyayari, pagsasamahin ko yung mga walang variables. Sino yung mga walang variables? Sino yun? Ito, saka ito. Ililipat ko to sa kabila. Ngayon, mangyayari, babalik tayo sa color blue, plus h squared. Lagyan natin ng parentheses. H squared plus k squared minus r squared. Nilipat ko kasi sa kabila. Ito. Ganun. Kapag nilipat mo yung r squared sa kabila, magiging equal to sa 0. Tama? Tama, di ba? Ngayon, ang gagawin ko, magpapangalan ako ng variables. Ililet ko yung d na minus 2h. Maglelet ako ng e na equal sa minus 2k. Maglelet ako ng f ay equal sa h squared plus k squared minus r squared. Diba? So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung mga ito mga nandito, saka to, papalitan ko ng letter D, E, and F. Paano? This implies that x squared plus y squared, minus pa ba? Hindi na. This is positive na, positive dx. Kasi diba minus 2h to, minus 2h to. Kapag ito, edi positive dito, diba? Pinalitan mo ng d. Kaya ganon. Tapos, plus, ganun din. Kasi minus k, pinalitan mo yung minus k ng e, kaya magiging ey, plus f. Kasi ito yun eh. Ito, saka ito. Is equal to 0. And, yan yung general form. This is the general form of a circle. Nakikita nyo? So, from the standard form, we have manipulated the standard form to get the general form of a circle. And that's it. I hope you learned something today. I hope that you have appreciated the conversion between the standard form of a circle to the general form of the circle. Now, in the next video, we will be discussing, is it possible from the general form to convert it back to standard form? That's a great question to answer. Until then, mathematicians, keep safe and have a great day. Goodbye now.